is Salsa, a cat who keeps Chris Condetti company at his home near Washington. VOA asked him what Salsa means to his family.
She is part of the family. She's always with us.
This attitude that animals can be part of the family is driving Americans to spend unprecedented amounts of money on their pets' health care. In 2010, according to an industry survey, Americans spent $13 billion on veterinary services. All that money goes toward more than just improving the lives of pets. It's also having a positive impact on medical care for humans. For example, at the University of Missouri, Dr. Kim Selting recently conducted a study on cancer in cats.
I think the value of what happens for the health of a pet and how it might translate to human health has come very much to the forefront.
Veterinarians have access to large databases put together by veterinary centers across the United States. One is managed at the National Institutes of Health, or NIH, outside of Washington. At NIH, Dr. Chand Khanna oversees clinical trials for new cancer drugs for dogs. He says those trials have the potential to help people with cancer.
I would say that for the most part, almost every human cancer that occurs in a dog.
Veterinarians can do the same advanced imaging tests on dogs and cats that doctors can do on human patients. Dr. Khanna says osteosarcoma, bone cancer, develops the same way in both dogs and humans.
We've looked at molecular profiles of dog osteosarcoma and human osteosarcoma, and we really can't distinguish the dog and the human.
What's more, both species respond the same way to drugs.
Our focus has really been on therapy, really trying to understand why and how drugs that are intended for human use, how we can make them better through their evaluation in dogs with cancer. That's our focus.
The research provides better care for pets, but treating pets allows researchers to learn much more about various cancers in a shorter period of time.
They age more rapidly, their cancers progress more rapidly. We can get answers to whether or not something works much more quickly than you could in a human trial.
In terms of cancer research, veterinarians say they are now able to exchange information with human cancer specialists and develop research to explore what causes various cancers, why they recur, and the best methods for treating them. Carol Pearson, VOA News.